don't know about you, but I love to watch hacks, and I'm always ready to utilize a hack that really makes my life easier, quicker. But I've been seeing this hack where they take each individual piece of bacon and roll it up in wax paper and freeze it. I don't know about you, but I don't have time for that. This is how I do it, and I thought I would share that with you. I just take my kitchen scissors and I cut it up, and then I put it in a freezer bag. And if you wanted to do whole pieces, you could just roll them up and put them in this freezer bag. I do like to lay mine out flat and kind of separate them. Then just put this in the freezer and try to lay it flat so they stay separated. And when a recipe just calls for a little bacon, just get it out of the freezer, get what you need, and then put it back in the freezer. I never thought about sharing this with you, but if there's somebody out there struggling with that wax paper, then try this.